Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Holy Quran is the great gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which He has relieved to His beloved Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in ayah number 82 of Surah Isra, وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. And we send down in the Quran that which are healing and a mercy for those who believe. We should recite Holy Quran and learn Holy Quran and memorize Holy Quran, because our beloved Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, إِنَّ الَّذِي لَيْسَ فِي جَوْفِهِ شَيْءٌ مِّنَ الْقُرْآنِ كَالْبَيْتِ الْخَرِبِ. One whose chest has nothing in it from Holy Quran is like a deserted home. If we recite Holy Quran, Allah will give us many hasanat. In a hadith, our beloved Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam said, Man qara'a min al-Qur'ani harfan falahu ashru hasanat. One who recites one letter of Holy Quran will get 10 hasanat, 10 virtues. Listeners, if we read a word like Alhamdu, Alhamdu is a word but not a letter. It contains 5 letters. If we recite Alhamdu, Allah will give us 50 hasanat, because it contains 5 letters: Hamza, Lam, Ha, Mim and Dal. On every letter, Allah give us minimum 10 hasanat, and we will not able to know how many more Allah will give us. So we should recite Holy Quran every day. Allah will bless us, inshallah.